largely done at vocational schools, community colleges, and online programs that offer courses in medical transcription or have dedicated medical transcriptionist programs. In the course of becoming a medical transcriptionist, you will take coursework in anatomy, medical terminology, writing intensive classes, and several courses in understanding the legal issues of healthcare documentation. You can expect to get plenty of on-the-job training to practice what you are learning in the classroom. Another good way to become a transcriptionist is to get certified. This can increase your chances of employment. The Association for Healthcare Documentation Integrity offers 2 certifications for medical transcriptionists: Registered Healthcare Documentation Specialist, RHDS, and Certified Healthcare Documentation Specialist, CHDS. If you're interested in a specialty like working at a clinic or doctor's office, the RHDS certification is designed for that route. It's specifically for those who have fewer than 2 years of experience.